City Hot.
Chikudi, make I clear my throat. That's this program now. Program when every Nigerian supposed to watch. Thank you very much. Your own way different. I like this your couple.
I just say make I to solidarity for Nigerian women to support them.
God will bless you well, Jerry.
So we not go waste time. We'll just quickly go into what we do. On Monday we get what they call the tear rubber. All the action to will happen over the weekend based on say we lock our shop on Friday, carry key go, but our ESC the ground, we go carry and drop and make everybody chook mouth on top. So I go just give those ones. We go talk and small before we can dwell on all the topics when we discuss this week. And we start with Boko Haram, quarter to die. Now question we ask, sake of say, gist come out say we don't hand over civil authority back to the people when we say now their hand is supposed day, considering the fact say Goza when we say Boko Haram then they claim say now their capital. We don't pursue them come out. And people talk say, where place where we say na stone throw to where Sambisa Forest day. If our soldier people don't make sure say at least to a considerable degree Boko Haram they fear to show face for there. Now we say somehow technically we they win the war. Other people can't talk say no be quarter to die we want. Now final whistle of Boko Haram now they 1 year. So that people go to bed, they sleep and make gist know they happen. Now they also talk say if we check January until the one wey happen for Chibok, say na 3 cases, na they don't record. This one na far cry from wetin dey happen before because Boko Haram, it just be like say before, na every week na they do their things, but it can't be like say they don't stop. But Nigerians they talk say we want final stop to that matter. From that one we enter waiting don loss. As he take come out for the explanation of Chief Olufalaye. He been break down say the 100 million when he collect. He talk say no be from the office of the National Security Advisor. Say even if he come from there, he no. The person when he collect money from na Chief Tony and the reason why he collect the money na to do mobilization based on say SDP no get presidential candidate and he explain give them say okay if una want make we support una we sef go do our own part to use ensure say if una keep to the agreement of say these things when I identify say na problem una go work am we go support una he don come talk say the money when he collect he share am the way we say dem take agree say dem go share but people still dey ask say the fact say you share am the way people go share e mean say you don dey free or you go answer question you go talk am you na barrister. From that one we enter pipeline bombing and the ear when JTF draw give the Ijaw leaders say make them try their best to fish out all these people when we say now then they do this thing. Say right about now it's supposed to be patriotism as again say this person is my brother or this person is my pikin. Say anybody when we say if they use their own power to spoil government work, the person is a bad thing and the person they do for society and we must ensure say they know they do society. Other people come talk say the way when JTF won't go about them and make them not go about them the way when they do for OD, make them take them easy so that people no go lose their lives unnecessarily. From that one, we enter the anti-corruption campaign and the missing $2.1 billion. We can't put that one and say, America we know. As it take concern the talk when we say the United States Secretary of State John Kerry talk for Davos, him come out, in quote, waiting our Honorable Minister of Information and Culture talk, say about 55 people, they took hand inside the pocket of our country, they can't enrich themselves with 9 billion naira. And people come and talk, say, if this man don't they quote this thing for outside, that means that we need to do better thing to pursue corruption, come up for this our country. Because in his own words, he talks, say corruption is something when we say they affect global future. And if we don't secure our future because of corruption, and we say, well, I don't do. We can't top up all this story we talk about, say, federal government, they don't talk, say, all the extra money when they pay on top of kerosene, they go come out them. So that the one when they go collect from there, they go put them into other things when we see development for inside this our country. These now all the stories when we discuss as we take BM on Monday, be that. So we go just drop and now here the small things when I go talk because what did happen last week, don't happen last week, so that we go face this particular one. So I go start with Barrister Liberous. You don't hear waiting. A lot of Nigerians they talk about Boko Haram, Jaguda people. Shall we go there contented with the fact say they know to they operate the way they operate before, or we need to even do extra things to ensure say they don't even feel operate at all for inside this our country.
Basically, we know day where we supposed to, but we know day where we did before.
Thank you.
So that means say we they move, and so like David Livingstone talk. I go follow you go anywhere, provided say na forward. So it means say we dey move forward. And so if we dey move forward, what we need be say now to dey encourage the people where they lay down there today for our tomorrow. That's our soldiers when they fight. Say, look, una don't do well, but it good make una still push small because now when we don't see so una don't get strength, the people don't dey fear una, they don't dey run. And then also make government look at how the system where they go fit put in place to make sure say where they don't clean up, you know, Boko Haram no go come dirty am again. Because that's not the problem when some of the people for the IDP camps, they complain about, say, when we go back to our village, we reach there, when so they are not there ground, they will come back again. So it go good, make it be, say, we get enough hands, even if not the local vigilante and the local police and mobile police, they empower for those places to make sure, say, anywhere you clean up, it good make you get people when still they shine the ground to make sure say anybody when they come dirty they go feel repel them.
True.
When we do all of that, this success where we don't gain we go feel maintain and in no time all these things go be, you know, get expiring dates.
Very true. Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, I like to call the name full because
God go bless you.
I get respect. I get respect. I'm not training me well. We go just leave that one because Barrister Liberals don't finish up for that matter. Make we go on another one. But this one now, I go come jump some of the things when I've been discussed. Go straight to this one. The United States Secretary of State John Kerry been talk say corruption they threaten the global future of the world. Make we come bring them to Nigeria now. I know say every mama, if papa they look say this pikin now, I don't born now, make I take care of him now. The mama they look off, make I take care of him now, make I take care of him so that he go become something for life. Now make we relate global future. And I know say women when go carry pikin for 9 months for belle, they know they think about the belle way first. Now this pikin make I born him, make I train him, make he grow up to become person for this life. Make we can't look the thing when corruption don't do for this country. I go join now with the Chief Olufalaye saying talk say the 100 million when he collect them to do mobilization and waiting on loss. Don't loss. Make we can't join them to the talk about say corruption they threaten global future of this country. How we go fit get situation when we say I know one more talk about government now. Situation when we say for our society, Pikin go look say this thing bad, I no go do am. Rather than make all of us they talk say government because even we now we be part of the government.
As you put them, the job there for all our hands. But for me, now the women, our mothers, our sisters, as in they born that pikin, they must think say that pikin as he go grow. The only time where pikin fit benefit you. Now when he become better person.
Very true.
And better person we get conscience, we get fear of God. Not be the one where go come bring disgrace, come to your name. So when John Kerry talk about corruption being problem for the world, for Nigeria, our president here self don't talk about. He say we no kill corruption.
He go kill us.
Make corruption, Papa no kill us. So as he don't talk that one, it make all of us shine our eye, open our heart. Say this thing where we they do, where we see say they bring wahala for our country. Make we no go put our hand, hide them inside cause say not be as we they do them before.
Very true.
So if all of us know say this thing no good, the pikin where we they born, the family where we get, make we they tell them because not be only one person the thing go come affect.
Very true.
Now all of us,
everybody.
Yes, now we they inside. So now
you see if no be say the way when things dey, I for just tell who could be say make no they even they come again. Make I just they get Barrister no vessel. Make I just they get our mama, our sisters them because even me say my heart just they melt. Barrister, quick one. You go take this one 2 in 1 so that we'll come delve into all the things when we discuss this week. The issue of those bad boys when we say they go they blow oil installations. Make I ask, if person they vest, say something they even they vest you. Any justification they say because you they provoke, you go just go destroy something.
First and foremost, also I go take on with that Boko Haram issue just now.
Feel free.
That after when I talk about clean place, also government needs to look what will be the root cause of Boko Haram in the first place.
Okay.
Because when we address that root cause, we solve the problem now. 2, 3, 4 years, 10 years from now, it go come back.
True.
The same thing with this issue of Niger Delta.
True.
When government call them, say, make una come, drop una guns.
Amnesty.
And then we go pay una money. The question when we ask government that time, we say, you get people now when no they carry gun, but they get the power to carry.
Exactly.
Waiting you they tell them. You they tell them, say, and then they don't even get money, they don't get
They
work.
don't get anything, no.
So you they tell them now, say, because those who want carry gun, you they train them, you they dash them money. The way all those ones, time go reach, they self go say, okay.
They go provoke.
If you know let me do, make me self go carry gun so that government go listen to me.
True.
So you know they look problem because somebody make trouble, like Madam talking here. Because this person they bring bad name to me, so make I they dash am money so that I no go they give me that bad name. Make I carry and go abroad so that I no go they give me bad name. Exactly. You know, so then I'm waiting one place where first they get am wrong, and secondly, those ones when now sit down they blow oil installation. I won't tell them. You find out say before, oh now our brother did there, now our brother did there. Now no be their brother did there. Exactly, and so that their brother that time. Also, if you remember that time, when that bomb for Abuja happened, he said, my people no go fit do this kind of thing. He gets sympathy for them. But now, and most of them also, don't use that platform, make plenty money, don't get investment, they don't turn millionaire. Make themselves also remember, say they get investment.
That's true.
So if you begin to blow pipeline,
they go lose.
Also, those are investments. Somebody one day go come out, go blow those investments, and you self go lose. And blowing pipeline, no be government you take they do. Now everybody for Nigeria you take they do. Because if you they use gas do light, and light on the day you blow pipeline, and gas no come dey to supply light, all of us go dey in darkness.
Exactly.
And it go reach one place. Even your own people go say, no wait, this one you don't too much. You tell us say you they fight for us, but you don't be millionaire, and yet we no see some of the things when you benefit. To we know you know if we extend them to us. So now at the time for all of us to look say, make we not destroy our future. It good make we look inward. How we go fit take solve the problem. And where government dey wrong, tell government say una dey wrong here. This na why, this na how we go take move forward. And then where the people dey wrong also, it good make government also tell them say that they wrong.
True.
Look them in the eye, and those where don't commit offense, bring them to book so that you no go to encourage people to do them next time say nothing they happen.
Exactly. Barrister Liberals, you don't finish talk for on top of this matter. You don't show say na collaborative effort. Government and no be spirit, na from society they come from.
Exactly.
If 160 million plus Nigerians use one voice, tell them say, make una do am well, they go do am well. And as then they do am, if we give them the support, the country go better. You talk about darkness. I never see anywhere when lights go out say which party membership
they stay here
before the thing go enter inside here. It don't dey very, very clear. So we go just use this last story from last week, enter the one we discussed Tuesday. 83 naira is better than 50 naira. We hear say the PPPRA, they announced new templates. And they come talk say the subsidy when government they put on top of kerosene. When they sell kerosene, 15 naira per litre, when people they line up, they buy before. Some no they even they see, some no they even they buy on that 15 naira. Say now that extra money, they go put them into other things and we go begin to see them. I go throw and give you. Now you I go just give them to. 83 naira is better than 15 naira. Discuss.
I like that kind of question those days for university because you no get end, but this one go get end. You find out that when that 15 naira, when they said the kerosene at 15 naira, like you talk am now, people know they see and they buy
at all.
People know they see and they buy at all. And then that money they enter some people pocket. So some people come be saying now only kerosene that they deal on. They go sell them. They no go sell for nozzle. They go sell and give people when go resell. They go make money and yet they go still collect that subsidy when government they pay. So the money go there some people pocket. The next thing you go hear say that man when you know before you know they do anything go tell you saying don't they to oil and gas.
Oil and gas.
And then he don't they build house, he don't they buy property, don't they live reckless life. So waiting government they look now they say look this money where we they give people, and yet the ordinary man when we want help. The woman, when they use firewood and kerosene, it still they buy that kerosene at 80 something, 100 and something in some places. So make we even allow the kerosene free flow.
Exactly.
Provided it go there available.
True.
Once it there available, when the demand dey more than the supply, the price ordinarily go come down. It's just like GSM. When competition dey, and the product no dey scarce. Now when they say they sell am 50 naira, oh, they no see am buy, because everybody saying at the 50 naira they won't buy. At that time, you know, you will see those queue. Exactly. So, but also government need to, because what may they cause all this problem most time, they say the people no trust government, because government also know they do what they say they go do. So all this one, when you say I will go use this money, take stop, provide infrastructure, take do road, make it not be saying for inside person, another man belly in him pocket, and for a house, this road and all this soft landing when they want to do, it they happen. Make it be say people truly go relate with them, so that when you tell somebody, say, pay more, he go happy to pay more because he knows, say, that more when they pay, he know what they provide for him.
Exactly. Barrister Liberals, you see, if nobody say, I for they call you barrister lecturer Liberals, because every time when you, this is now waiting that they call common sense 101.
Exactly.
We don't need an angel to come from heaven. Come tell us, say, now this thing we go do. They say now 15 naira per liter, we know they see and with the queue. Now 83 naira per liter, so long as it go there available.
Exactly.
Now, because of the trust when no day between the people, because what did they promise us for 1979? They promised us for 1983. Promise us for 1993.
1979, right from 1960. Go check the campaigns. I will build more road. We go provide light. We go provide school. We go provide water. Then after that one, the next election year again, now the same slogan, I go build road, I go provide water, I go provide light, I go provide employment. That man went promise and last time. He no provide, and so now I make this other man now, they come again, exactly. They tell us I go provide those things.
Exactly.
So till today, people, you know, say when one song, they don't to play one song. It go become part of you. Before the man even talk, say, they don't tell him what he want. So when time reach, you say, hey, we need to collect your money to do those things. Go say for where?
But Barrister, the one way you can't talk, when you can't top up the whole situation and say, provided ego. So on our own part, we must hold government responsible.
Yes.
Because the reason why they make that promise, they fail, and because we all look and say, now normal thing. If we begin to hold them responsible, they demand say, okay, God, now don't they sell them in 3 months, whenever they see anything.
And then at the role, that's why also our mothers, our sisters, our wives, our daughters, they get a very big role to play for this Nigeria now. You know, say, men don't do am. Every time man go do am, he no go walk well. Man go do am, he no go walk well. This is not the time when women suppose also rise up. They call our leaders because now their mama, now their wives. You know what they call pillow talk. If you know the magic when pillow talk,
the power of pillow talk.
If you know the magic when they walk, that is why they say if you be a major general for army, your wife, they won't rank ahead of you, even though you know they wear uniform.
Exactly.
They say men rule the world, but women, they rule the men when they rule the world.
Exactly.
So this is not the opportunity for our women to rise up, say, no, if this country go better, it go start from us. We need to talk up to our men.
Barrister, you don't finish work. On top of what we will discuss on Tuesday. Based on pillow talk, I go come enter Wednesday, join her with Thursday. And the Thursday, when pillow talk, no work, the next thing are to spark. And the senator, when they represent Lagos Central, the distinguished senator, Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu, she spark, give everybody inside the House of Senate on Tuesday when pass. So she stand up, talk, say, the change, when all of us, they take our eyes see now, especially as it take concern, waiting that they do for women for inside Nigeria. Say, no be waiting, government promise be that. And she talks, say, if you check, the least revenue, when they give the ministry, when they say they look after women, and now the thing small pass. And not all that money, be like they all look, say, this one a market, we go take our bill because like in a market now in Nigeria women sabi how to do. She can't even talk about the internally displaced person scams. Say women wey food there, don't they born pikin, some don't they even they marry inside there, no hope, no future at all. Say some people go there, go they snap picture. She no call anybody name, but we know person wey wear fine clothes. Go there, go they snap it. We no go call him name, no cause trouble. Make I come ask you. You don't hear pillow talk, it dey powerful. But it be like say if the pillow comes strong and the talk no they enter anywhere, it don't reach for women to stand up to speak. Now, no be just to stand up to talk. What do you think say exactly women go fit do to use fit make men they take them very, very serious? Because like for this country, if women just they talk, we all they look them. You know, when we just they look them and say, don't worry, human body will come now, will come deceive. You know, Nigerian men, I'm not barrister, sorry, but talk inside this matter.
Me, I go thank our Senator Oluremi Tinubu for that talk where she talk, because she no say because she get that last name wey she get forget say e get people wey no get the same opportunity wey she get she go there to do the job wey she will send am make she do so if you sef go dey honest with yourself wetin 4 billion out of all the money wey dem talk for that budget wetin e fit do for women you and I know say na that our women na we plenty pass for this country
True.
and e get so many need wey we need so and where as she talk am na so e be like say una just dey use up when you now use us finish oya go back kitchen
give them wrapper tell them to come and dey shout APC or PDP
e no good like that you any government wey go far wey go do better must first and foremost think of im women because na the women na dem dey build the nation na women you know we be the teacher the mother the driver the cook the everything especially for this our Nigeria now na women most of the homes now e get plenty homes wey serve men no dey there na the women dey do the work of man and woman so you must invest in that woman you go empower that woman because the future of this our obodo Nigeria e rest for all of us women papa.
You don't finish talk on top of that matter. Barrister, I can't take and give your side now. If we hear names like Dilma Rousseff of Brazil, Angela Merkel of Germany, the first thing we go come our mind as strong woman. Not be whether she gets 6 packs or she get muscle.
Margaret Thatcher those days.
Margaret Thatcher, iron lady.
Yes.
Now the sense when the woman get and the things when she dey carry come. You think say we suppose put certain things inside our laws to use protect women when we say the thing even though they don't want by force the thing go carry them enter say this country belong to una and since now una go help us secure our future una must.
You know say even for Germany the board of the major company na law say they must get at least representation for women.
You see
because any society like Madam talk here any society wey no developing women that society is bound to fail.
Yes.
You know because and then also, I dey laugh sometimes. Man when no gree making daughter go school. In wife get belle or he injure, he say na female doctor go treat am.
This is where you talk. It is strong. It's strong. It's strong.
He say na female doctor go treat am. Where you want see the female doctor?
If you don't allow and go school.
If you no allow and go school.
This is the way you talk. It's strong. It's strong.
You know, so that are the problem when they our society today. You sit down, you look budget, you say, okay, 4 billion. Women, we do not need self.
Now market.
And then also, the women also, first and foremost, need to take themselves seriously. Because when it comes to issues, you see some women, like Honorable here, like Oluremi Tinubu, and so many other women for Nigeria, when it be say, when men they talk, themselves go stand, hold their own, that when they talk, women go listen, men go listen.
Exactly.
Remember Dora Queen those days? When men no fit even talk,
She enter
and she do well. People begin take her seriously. Now they don't come begin to look at oh na woman or no be woman. Women first and foremost need to take themselves seriously. Not be only when it come to share rapper or do meeting, neither they go suppose see them. The moment they take themselves seriously, also that time society go begin to point say look at this one here. I don't see any reason why we no go get woman president. You know why? Because when you see, if for example now you did traffic, you shunt. If now woman did the other car, it no go let you enter.
At all.
People go say them wicked. Not be wickedness, because them born them, program them to follow the rules. And then also, women are person when be say that they multitask.
They fit do different things at the same time.
Now you and woman go come out, go work together. Now you and them go come back. You go sit down, they watch TV.
She go don't go school, go pick pikin.
She don't pick pikin.
Cook food.
She don't cook food.
Women.
She don't they wash clothes. She don't they arrange the children clothes for tomorrow. You sit down there, you say, after all, I they provide many.
I'm the pillar.
If the day when you go try sit down for house, say, okay, madam, you go work, may I day today. Now that day you go know, say, even to clean house, no be my mind. You know, so when we begin to give women position of authority, also make am a law. Not be just say budget is supposed to give 23%. Make am a law, say, even for government, even for ministries, even for agencies, they supposed get so percentage for our women. Also, because men naturally, you know, now people when be say they fit break anywhere enter. So the ones when they vulnerable, create opportunity for them. You go also see competition because they know say that percentage now people go feel them.
Very true. Barrister, you don't finish talk on top of this matter. And we hope say those when we say they our government and we don't promise say they'll give women, I go speak English, pride of place. They go do wetin they right. No be just lip service. They go put them inside law so that women when they qualify because there are plenty as you take talk. Female doctor to treat my wife because of saying na my wife. Yeah. And you no want send your daughter go school. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for GoTV and this now as they hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.